Hi everyone, welcome to the class. My name is David. I'm an industrial designer, a university professor, and in this class I'm going to teach you how to craft a wooden bowl on the lathe. This piece you see here was made out of maple burl. It's a unique kind of wood that you can easily find online, or you can purchase one from your local woodcraft store. This class is an intermediate level, which means it is expected for you to have knowledge and previous experience on woodworking, using safety equipment such as protective eyewear and gloves, and other tools like drills, saws, and sanders. However, if you don't have any experience with these tools and machines, don't let that stop you. I invite you to watch this class and get inspiration for your next crafting project. So to begin our project, we'll start by examining the piece of wood we have on our workbench. For instance, here you can see this really weird looking piece that appears to be some kind of foam or fungus, but it's actually maple burl. These types of woods are amazing for wood turning and ideal since the grain they have is naturally highlighted in the turning process. You can see the surface of this piece looks actually very bizarre, almost alien-like. And if you look at it closely, it actually looks like if you were visiting an alien planet of some sort. So to begin with, let's start by having an idea of the proportions and working area we have. Since the surface is completely irregular, it's a good idea to draw a circle and encompass the area that is useful for us to work with. Now, with our measurements and ideas in mind, we can cut the piece to a reasonable size before installing it to the lathe. If you happen to have a piece of burl like this, you can cut the excess on a bandsaw and then sand the edge if you want to have a more precise feel of the proper dimensions of your piece. Now, since this is an intermediate class, it is expected for you to have previous knowledge on woodworking and how to properly use these tools and the safety instructions for each machine. When you're happy with the result, it's time to prepare a wooden piece and install it to the lathe in the next lesson.